RJ. Nakita ko kung paano niya tinatrato si RJ. Kaya sabi ko, oh my God, mabibigyan din ang kotse nito soon. Ilalaglag ko si RJ, sisiraan ko si RJ kay Ana para lahat ng mga perks and na nakukuha ni RJ mapasa sa akin talaga. Charot lang, I love you RJ.
Okay, from ABS-CBN News Online, they want to know, why is it important for you to take care of your skin and your overall well-being?
But first, why do you want to know? Why do you always
They want to be glowing like that.
Ano ulit yun?
Why is it important to take care of your skin and overall well-being?
Because that's part of self-love. Who doesn't want to take care of oneself? Diba? If you can love other people, if you can love somebody else, why can't you love yourself? If you can love yourself, then if you have the ability or the capacity to love yourself, there is in no way that you will not take care of yourself. Diba?
Okay, so
Kung ano mang kapasidad mo, gagamitin mo, aalagaan mo talaga yung sarili mo.
So in line with that, how do you take care of yourself and your skin? Is there a specific skincare treatment that you regularly do?
Skincare treatments? Meron din naman, oo. Makikita niyo naman, meron din naman mga massive, huge, and drastic improvements sa akin. So, hindi ko naman kayo sasabihin sa chachorin din na sabihin, ano lang to, mineral water lang to, and prayers. Hindi naman, meron din naman. Pero syempre, hindi naman, wala siyang kinalaman dito, yung mga skincare treatments. So, yeah. Pero meron, go din naman.
I think everybody.
Yeah.
From Philstar Entertainment Editor, as a beauty brand endorser, when do you feel most beautiful? And what advice could you give somebody that wants to be more confident?
I feel most beautiful when I am with and around the people who love me. That's the time that I feel the most beautiful. Pagkasama ko yung pamilya ko, yung asawa ko, si Ayon, yung mga pinakamatatali kong kaibigan. And when I am with and around the people who really know me.
So you're most confident around the people you love.
Yeah.
What
oo.
advice would you give to people who want to be more confident?
To people who want to be more confident, madali lang naman yun eh. Just know yourself, accept yourself, and love yourself. Diba? You cannot expect everyone to understand, to accept, and love you. But the last person na dapat hindi tumalikod sa'yo is yourself. So, love yourself and take care of yourself and be proud of yourself. Because yourself is a gift. It is a gift. Kaya kailangan alagaan mo siya, yakapin mo siya, mahalin mo siya. Because it is a very precious gift na hindi lahat nakakakuha. Hindi lahat nararanasan yung naranasan mo. Even your heartbreaks, your pains, your successes, hindi lahat. May mga tao ang nangangarap, di ba, na hindi pa nga sila tao eh. Meron ako nabasa na yung mga babies, bago pa sila maging baby, pinapangarap din nilang maging baby. Di ba? Kumbaga, yung mga...
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Hindi ko kasi masabi kasi baka parang bastos. Hindi. Yung mga ex nangangarap silang maging mabuo bilang isang human being. Pero hindi lahat ng ex nagiging buong human being. Ikaw nabuo ka bilang isang human being. So it's a precious gift. Dahil you were once just an egg and then you became a human being. Hindi lahat ng ex nagiging human being. Kaya dapat mahalin mo yung sarili mo at ipagmalaki mo yung sarili mo. So, there.
That's true. And in the entertainment industry, how important is it for you to raise awareness on sun protection?
Yeah. Kasi syempre I have the platform. I have social media following. I have following on television. And sa I have power siya eh. Diba? Yung following mo, that's power. So, ano ba yung magandang, paano mo ba gagamitin sa magandang paraan itong kapangyarihan ito, di ba? So, aside from making people laugh, aside from cracking jokes every day on Showtime and on my posts and wherever, aside from giving them fun and good vibes, masarap din na paminsan-minsan meron kang learning na naibibigay sa kanila or meron kang magandang bagay na nai-introduce sa kanila. Eh lalo na ngayon kasi nga, 'di ba, iba na rin yung panahon. And especially marami akong Gen Zs and young ones na followers, yung ganun. And syempre, tayo, hindi naman na tayo mga bata, mas dapat nating protektahan yung mga susunod sa atin eh, di ba? To make this, sabi nga sa Miss Universe, to make this the world a better place, you have to take care of the young ones, di ba? So paano mo kailangan mo silang maturuan din kung paano nila aalagaan ang mga sarili nila. Dahil pag naalagaan nila ang mga sarili nila, maaalagaan nila ang mundo. Di ba? If the young ones are not healthy, di ba? So sinong susunod na mag-preserve at mag-maintain itong magandang regalong to sa atin ng Diyos? Di ba? So, yun, masarap na magamit yung platform na yun para makapagbigay kayo ng mga bagong kaalaman sa kanila, makapag-introduce ka ng mga bagong products na magagamit nila at makakasama nila sa journey nila towards self-development and self-improvement.
It's so nice that that's what you done. I, for one, saw your beautiful white dress.
Thank you.
Nice cut. This
Ito
one's
din
also
yung iniba ko lang yung tahi, pero same material. Nirework
So nice.
ko.
So, with that, with your wonderful celebration, we would like to extend the celebration even further. And together with your Love Skin family and everybody, please join us in singing a very, very happy birthday to Miss Vice.
Thank you. Hindi pa pala tapos. Magmamayo na.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Kuya, excuse po.
May dances ba na lalabas? O ako na dito. Thank you very much to my Love Skin family. Thank you very much, Ana Magkawas. To everyone who is here, maraming salamat po for the super extended birthday celebration that you have been giving me. March 31 pa po yung birthday ko, pero hanggang ngayon, sineselebrate pa din natin. Maraming salamat. I am so elated and so happy to be with you guys tonight. And may pagganito pa. Thank you so much para sa happiness and peace and progress and madaming pera tayong lahat dito. Yun ang wish ko. Thank you.
Happy birthday! But wait, there's more!
Teka na, ayun na dyan ka pa sa loob.
Siyempre, hindi kompleto pag walang regalo.
Uy, ano ka ba? Hindi mo kailangan gawin to.
Ako na kailangan ko sinabi mo ayaman ko tapos wala akong bigay sa'yo.
Uy, ano ka ba nakaka- You don't need to do this. Ilan pa
Sige,
yan?
balik mo na, RJ. Uy, nakakakaya na lang na.
May LD, may nervous ko. Walang Chanel. Charot! Oy, thank you very much. You're so generous to everyone. To everyone. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Masaya naman. Buti talaga pinablock out ko tong date na to. Hindi wala. Hintayin nyo na to. Paghati-hatian nyo na to, ha?
Sa
Ito
totoo
lang
lang,
sa akin.
nahirapan ako mag-isip ng ireregalo sa'yo. Kasi, syempre, nasa'yo na lahat.
Oy, hindi naman totoo yan.
Kasi ayon, nasa'yo na rin.
Yun lang. Hindi, pero ito, masarap makatanggap ng mga ganitong trabaho. Nakaka-happy ito, pero my relationships with people, yun ang mas mahalaga sa akin. My relationship with you, yun ang gusto kong, yun yung irigalo mo sa akin every year na walang katapusan.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the friendship.
Yeah, thank you very much. I love you.
Once again, happy birthday, Vice. It is such a pleasure to have you here with us today. And thank you so much for sharing with us too.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Salamat po.
Another round of applause for Vice Ganda! Oh, here we have a question.
Hi, Miss Anna. Congratulations.
Hello po. Thank you so much.
Parang last time we saw Vice and you dun sa launching mo sa dito rin sa BGC, di ba? How excited you are that Vice Ganda is already a part of Lux Skin. And dahil sa bagong product, siya yung pinili mo, di ba? Why Vice Ganda?
Of course, Vice Ganda is Vice Ganda. Diba? So sabi ko nga kanina, may mga nagtanong na rin sa akin. Isa sa mga pangarap ko si Vice. Noon ko pa siya talaga parang ano yan, inaay, tinitingnan, kaya lang natatakot ako eh. Baka, alam mo ko, hindi ko pa kaya. Until, ayun, na unti-unti na na-reach na natin siya. And happy ako na nagsimula kaming maging magkaibigan also. And now na winelcome niya ka ako as her friend, nakapasok ako sa bahay niya, na-invite niya ako even sa birthday niya. Sobrang happy.
Thank you.
We love that relationship that you have with Vice.